If you need to reset your password on GoTranscript, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the GoTranscript login page. Go to the official GoTranscript website and navigate to the login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your GoTranscript account. Make sure to enter it correctly and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from GoTranscript. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and follow the instructions provided. This usually involves clicking a link that will take you to a page where you can set a new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your GoTranscript account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to GoTranscript support for assistance.